Without Greg. I tried to use Instapot for the first time, and this is the little warning sign I got. So obviously I must have done something wrong because it's telling me I'm gonna burn the food. Is it recording?
It's recording.
Oh, this is fun. Okay, you talk.
All right, so we brought you the unboxing of our brand new Instapot, and and then we also gave you episode 1, which was boiling water. So this week,
Baby steps.
We're just going to take a little small baby steps, and we're actually advancing to actual meat, and we are going to try the DuoCrisp air fryer and fry some chicken.
That's what the chicken looks like.
What we're using is just 4 chicken breasts. There's actually 8 total. We got the chicken breasts from Sam's. They're the hormone-free, which is great. And Karen wanted to try, what do you want to do?
I don't know, but I want to spray the pan so it won't stick. Because then we won't forget.
Well, I think this is the one you spray, because this is the one.
Oops, already. So you don't have to spray that one.
Just spray the one that chicken
Then we're low on spray too. Oh.
But she wanted to try her own version of fried chicken by adding some
pork rinds.
Pork rinds. So that's enough.
I don't have a recipe, so who knows? And I don't cook, so this could be scary.
So we're just going to spray the chicken just so we can get some little bit of, oil on it. And we're using olive oil, by the way, so that we can get some nice and crisp.
These, I just took some pork rinds that already had seasoning on them and crushed them up. I think you're supposed to put them like in a, what's that thing called? Grind them up better, but we'll just see.
Oh, by the way, disclaimer, we are not professionals.
Yeah.
And we are not professional Instapot people. So if you want real Instapot recipes, you probably need to go to somebody else's channel.
Yeah.
I'm going to put some pink Himalaya salt.
Yeah, and you really probably need to
onto the chicken.
Get these a little smaller. You probably need these a little smaller because these are a little too chunky, like me. So.
I don't think that's going to turn out, honey. But
hey, am I?
We're just experimenting here. Like I said, we are not professionals.
Leave room for it. If we're gonna put, we might have to use that little thingy. Maybe that's what that little thingy's for.
No.
Oh no, we'll put in here. That's right. Okay. Oh, mine's gonna. Yeah, that's gonna be bad.
Okay.
Let's wash our hands.
Let's wash our hands first.
You got a little bleach in there. You just do like that. Okay.
All right. So now the next thing.
Did you put salt?
Yes, I did.
Okay.
We're going to take our DuoCrisp lid. Okay. We're going to snatch it on.
I think that goes in the back.
This goes in the back.
Oh, did you think?
Well, you know, push it down. Yes, I know.
Of course he does. Of course he does.
So now we're going to do
air fryer.
Air fry. And we're gonna do 400 degrees, and we're gonna do, let's say 15, actually, you know what, let's stick 8.
I like it kind of crunchy.
Let's do 18 minutes, and we're gonna hit start. That's all it says it's gonna do. So we will be back in a minute.
18 minutes.
All right, we just got a warning at about the halfway mark to turn the food over. On the display, it was flashing turn food, and it beeped like 3 times. Okay, like I just said a second ago, it just beeped like 3 times and told us on the display it said turn food. So we're gonna take this off.
All you do
turn
is
the food. You
that's
just
all you do?
pick it up, and then you turn
My
the food.
piece looks amazing, actually.
Oh, and then with this lid, you got to set it down on here because this piece where all the magic happens gets really, 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 really hot. So let me just grab the phone.
My piece looks the best, just so you know.
I'm just gonna take you around here.
Oh, he's trying to show off his roses.
And so you can see what the chicken looks like so far. So it looks like it's coming along pretty good. So let's go ahead and turn it. Turn one.
Good.
You
That
can
looks
see
pretty good on that side.
part of the chicken where it's not done, but that's just because they're sitting on top of each other. This thing's gonna beep at us till we get this.
You're doing all the work. I could hold the phone for you.
Yep.
Don't scratch the pan. That's the scratch pan. We probably should get some tongs that wouldn't scratch it. Ah.
Okay, so now get those down in there, and then put the lid back on.
You probably want to get it back over.
Close it back, and it picks right up
Where it left off?
where it left off.
So all you did, let me try. So you just lifted the lid. Ah. And then when you put it back down and close it, it picks up. I think I can do this, honey. This is good.
All right, so we've got about 2 minutes left. We added 2 minutes to the timer just because when we flipped it, they kind of didn't look like they were done.
Mine look good.
So,
It was on top.
but anyway, we flipped them and just added a couple minutes to it. So, but anyway, just again, just a disclaimer: we are not professionals. I know we look like professionals, but we're not, and we're just trying stuff. I mean, we didn't even look up a recipe on Instapots for this, so we're just trying to DuoCrisp. We're just trying to see how it works out,
Yeah.
and we'll let you know. But anything you want to say? Like how much you enjoy cooking?
I just want to say, I only have 4 exercise minutes on my watch, and since I did this video with you, you got to go ride bikes with me because it's dark outside because this time change. So will you do that? I'm putting you on the spot. I will let you know.
We did. We did find out that the internal temperature of chicken
Ignoring we found out.
should be about
It's usually no, but
165 degrees.
we Googled
So
it.
we'll be able to, yes.
But don't use Google. What do we use now instead?
DuckDuckGo.
Use DuckDuckGo. Google? Don't use Google. Anti-Google now. DuckDuckGo.
Anyway, so we'll plug this into the chicken, make sure it hits 165 degrees, and make sure it's like edible. So
And this is going to be live with Karen and Greg. We're probably not going to be doing a
probably
lot
not.
of cooking.
Oh,
Because, you know, it's
got
not my
countdown. 8,
Oh,
7,
stop.
6,
Stop.
5,
But look at
4,
his pretty roses. He usually is
3,
really good about giving me
2,
flowers.
1.
It beeped. I get to open it. I get to open it. Do you have to wait to quit speaking?
No, I don't think it's telling you it's done, so you can go just pick it straight up.
Oh, no, you probably should wait till that quits going. It's cut off.
Pick it
See,
straight.
it makes me sick. The lid's kind of heavy, ain't gonna lie. Not real heavy, but kind of heavy.
All right, I'm going to bring you over here so you can actually
looks
see the
good.
chicken. Again,
I vote for the middle if the middle piece looks the best. Oh, I don't have my glasses. I gotta go get my glasses. What's mine?
I think we got to put it in there a little bit longer.
Wait, what's
It's
that
got to
saying?
be turned on.
I have never used a meat temperature thingy. Never in my whole 52 years.
It's only getting up to 139, 140.
Oh. Oh, look, it's still coming. 160. So why don't we do just a few more minutes?
Yeah,
I'll say a
do
few
about
more
5 more minutes
Okay.
on that, and then we'll come back. 1. Countdown's on.
1. Okay, so while we're waiting that last 1 minute, these are my plates that I have had for a very, very long time. They are Linux. We got these when we got engaged, and March coming up, it's going to be 29 years he's been putting up with me. So, 29 years. So, this is something that's lasted as long as our marriage. So anyway, we're missing a few bowls though. Several bowls. I think we have all our plates, so I don't know, maybe one plate is gone.
We're done.
So, yeah.
I'm gonna wait till it stops.
Yeah, because last time we didn't. Now, it stopped. Ooh, let me get this ready. I think it's on, right?
Ooh, let's steam up the glasses.
Let's check another piece this time. That was a little bigger. Oh, it's climbing up quicker this time, so I can't really see it because I don't have glasses on. 60-ish.
161.
Oh,
It's good. 162. Leave it there.
seriously?
164.
Yeah, I think it.
165.
It's good. It looks done. This is
Yep.
more done than we've ever eaten chicken.
So let me show you what this looks like.
Yeah, it's still going up too.
That is our fried chicken.
That's my piece with the crunchy thingies on it.
So let's get Karen's piece out first.
Oh, look how good that looks.
So the pork rinds did stick to it. I'll grab my piece out over here.
And we'll do it.
And when I say this is fried chicken, this is like without any, you just sprayed it whole. That was all we did. So,
Okay.
Go ahead and cut you a piece.
I'm not really hungry.
No, just taste it.
Okay. There it goes. That's the monthly.
All right, I'll try yours first.
That's gonna be good. Isn't that good? Highly recommend the pork rinds on it.
It's pretty good. So look. Okay, so it's still
Okay.
nice and white in the middle. I'm gonna taste my piece.
Hey, are you gonna go help me close my exercise ring? Huh?
Mmm.
Your piece is better? It's good. No seasoning?
That was nice and juicy.
Well, mine was juicy too. I just got the very end though. They both should be the same. I do think we need to get some tongs that
So-
are metal.
If anything, if this shows you anything, it's just how easy it is for like even people that aren't like experts like us when it comes to cooking. So
He really, when he says we are experts, his underlying thing is Karen does not cook.
That's not true.
That's so true. He keeps saying it. I'm like, okay,
anyway, that chicken
we're not
really is
experts.
delicious, and we just didn't really do anything, nothing special. So
I'm trying to get these little crunchy things out. They're good.
Who knows what we're gonna do next? We might advance a little bit, but
No, he's going on a bike ride with me because I gotta get close to my exercise.
put your comments down below, and we look forward to
Hey, what else you want us
coming
to
back
talk
to you
about?
next time.
Let us know.